Ay, nako si Coach and Counselor Jelly Bulaong, our SEA Games gold medalist sa MMA. First of all, congratulations on receiving the PSA award because of your gold medal finish nga dito sa nagdaang SEA Games. So, what's your reaction upon receiving this award?
Syempre very happy. Hindi ko na-expect na this year makakasama ako. I saw how many athletes na magagaling yung in-awardan nila for the past years. And I saw their dedication in promoting talaga and appreciating the athletes here in the Philippines. So I'm very happy na this year kasama ako sa mga in-awardan.
Meron akong nakitang post na yung kalahati ng cash incentives na natanggap ninyo ay mapupunta sa mga atleta, student athletes na maglalaro sa Claraan. Ano ba ang maalagang aral na natutunan nyo giving back sa ating mga young athletes?
Ever since naman nang naging athlete ako, I always give back to my community. So this year talagang nagkataon lang talaga na when I receive my incentives ay panahon ng Claraan. So sabi ko, why not give back talaga dun sa mga athletes din na malolos, hoping na sana one day sila din yung maging champions in and out of the sports that they love.
Bukod pa rito, you've been focusing on supporting ang ating mga malolos athletes, especially si Abby Nuevo.
Yeah.
At iba pa mga nanalo. Ano ba yung suporta na binibigay ng ating LGU natin?
Actually, si Abby Nuevo kanina was there in our sa flag ceremony namin. Inawardan namin siya for all her accomplishments during the last years. Yung mga ganap niya last year from her 4 gold medals. So kanina lang namin siya pinatawag kasi busy rin talaga siya last year. Sunod-sunod yung laban niya. Kanina pinatawag namin siya to give appreciation and of course cash incentives. Sa city naman namin, we have an ordinance when it comes to giving cash incentives sa mga athletes, whether PWD athletes or the normal athletes.
What's next for you? And of course, tuloy rin ba ang inyong public service bilang konsehal? And of course, ano ba ang mga asa natin po, Jelly, for 2026?
For 2026, ang naka-line up, actually for me, sinabi na yung Asian Games and Asian Indoor Martial Arts Games. So, I'm actually thinking about it kasi since ang focus ko talaga ngayon is pagiging counselor. So, if ever naman na hindi busy sa council this year, I'll pursue the Asian Games and Asian Indoor Martial Arts Games.
So parang wala ka pang panahon para magretiro so far?
Wala pa kasing pumapalit sa division ko. So, every time merong SEA Games, Asian Games, laging ako ulit yung tinatawagan. So,
Okay.
sino ba naman ako para humindi?
Okay, may mga gusto ko yung pasalamatan.
Of course, I want to thank my family. I want to thank the City of Malolos, ang aking mga constituents, my partner, and God.
Siyempre, thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you, guys!